If you're brand new to Upwork, Connects can feel confusing. You open a job post, you see a number like 8 connects or 16 connects, and you think, wait, do I have to pay just to apply? In this video, I'll explain Connects in the simplest way possible, what they are, where to check your balance, how to buy them step by step, and the most important, the official ways to get free Connects. And if you misunderstand this system, you can easily waste your first $50 before landing a single job. Later in this video, I'll show you the simple 3-step beginner plan that prevents that. So what are Connects? Connects are Upwork's virtual token, and you mainly use them to submit proposals for jobs. But you can use them for some visibility options like boosting a proposal or turning on the availability page. But if you're a beginner, don't worry about that yet. Just remember, most of the time, Connects are used for applying to jobs. At this point, you might ask, why does applying cost anything at all? You may think that Upwork is greedy and wants to take advantage of you. But the real reason is simple. Upwork uses Connects to keep the marketplace healthier. When proposals have a smaller cost, fewer people spam proposals on everything. Because of this, freelancers are more intentional with the proposals they send. So yes, Connects feel annoying at first, but without them, you wouldn't stand a chance because clients get fewer random copy-paste proposals. And if you apply only when you're a real fit, your proposal had a better chance of being noticed. With paid proposals, you will have 5, 10 or 20 competitors. But if they were free, you would have thousands of competitors, and your chances of winning jobs would be almost zero. Just imagine if you pay $1 to write a proposal and win one of 10 jobs. Then you will spend $10 to win a job. You may think that's a lot, but most jobs start from $20 and the budget may be hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So you pay $10 to win one of them. If you're a beginner, your mindset is simple. Treat Connects like a small marketing budget. Spend them carefully, not emotionally. If this already makes things clear for you, make sure you're subscribed. I post practical videos every week. If you want the full beginner roadmap, how to make your profile visible, choose jobs, avoid wasting Connects, and structure your proposals, I put everything into a free starter kit. You can grab it from the description. So the first real question is, where do you see how many Connects you need? Open any job post and look near the Apply button. Upwork shows the Connects cost right there. And yes, the number can be different for different jobs. Also, one important thing, the Connects cost for the same job can change while the job is still live. So if you saw one number yesterday and another number today, that can happen. Now let's make this practical. Before you spend anything, you should know 2 basic things. Number 1, where to see your Connects balance. Number 2, how to buy Connects correctly. To check your Connects balance, go to Upwork.com and look at the right panel. Upwork shows how many Connects you have. You may see 0 Connects if you are new. By clicking on that section, you can open the Connects history. Just click on the View Details link. You can see where you spent Connects and how much it costs. Of course, if you're new, this history will also be empty. Now buying Connects. But here is where beginners make the first expensive mistake. If you see a great job and have 0 Connects, you might miss it. While you're figuring out how to buy Connects, others are already applying, so it's better to understand the process before you actually need it. Just click on the Buy Connects button. Connects cost 15 cents each and Upwork sells them in bundles. You can also choose a custom amount. To buy Connects, Upwork requires a verified billing method on your account. If you already have money in your Upwork balance, Upwork will try to use that first. If you don't have enough in your balance, Upwork will charge your billing method for the purchase. So make sure your billing method is working even if you think you won't need it. Now the big question: how do you get Connects for free? This is the part most beginners care about the most and also misunderstand the most. Free Connects exist, but they are not fully strategy. Think of them as a small bonus, not as a long-term plan. There are 2 starter ways and then a few later ways to get free Connects. Starter way number 1: monthly free Connects. Upwork runs different offers and some freelancers may receive 10 free Connects each month. Check your Connects history and you will see if monthly Connects are being added to your account. Starter way number 2: new freelancer rewards on onboarding. Some new users may receive a one-time bonus like 50 Connects after purchasing Connects or subscribing to Freelancer Plus. Freelancer Plus is an optional paid plan on Upwork. The main beginner benefit is Connects. With the basic plan, you get 10 free Connects per month, and with the Freelancer Plus, you get 100 Connects per month. Is it worth it at the start? For new freelancer, I'd say no. Start with the basic plan, and if you run out, just buy a small amount of Connects when you need them. Upgrade to Plus only when you're applying consistently every month and you keep buying lots of Connects anyway. Upwork can also give Connects for completion onboarding tasks like profile setup, identity steps, or watching short how-to videos. If you're eligible, you will normally see these offers inside your Upwork account, or you can just check your email regularly. You can find all the free bonus Connects you can get right now on the main page under the right panel. Just click on the free Connects link and read every section carefully. Now, later ways. I'll keep them simple so you know they exist. If you earn certain Upwork talent badges like Raising Talent, Top Rated or Top Rated Plus, Upwork gives a one-time Connects bonus for each badge. Upwork can also reward Connects for activity like hitting specific milestones when you submit proposals. Sometimes Upwork gives Connects when you get an interview with an established client. Not every time, and the amount can't vary. And there is a one-time bonus for your first successful boosted proposal. Also, sometimes Upwork has promo codes you can apply when buying Connects. Now, one more thing beginners should understand: refunds. If you ignore this part, you will think Upwork is stealing from you. In most cases, if you spend Connects, you don't get them back. But Upwork does return Connects in a couple of official situations. For example, if a client cancels a project before a contract is made, your Connects can be returned. But if the client simply ignores you, rejects your proposal, hires someone else, the job expires without a hire, or you withdraw your proposal, those Connects are not refunded. 2 quick rules that will save you stress. First, Connects roll over, so unused Connects can carry into future months. Second, Connects expire 1 year from the date they were issued, so don't try to save them forever. Now let me give you a simple beginner plan without overthinking. Step 1. Learn where to see your Connects balance and history. Step 2. If you need Connects, buy a simple amount first just to test the process. Step 3. Don't waste Connects applying randomly. This is where filter strategy matters, and where most beginners waste time and money and don't win jobs. Connects don't decide your success. How you use them does. So if you want the next step after this, watch my next video how to get jobs on Upwork, because that's where you either waste connects or use them smartly. If you don't see it yet, it goes live next Wednesday. Subscribe so you don't miss it.